Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Termux and granting storage access so you can read files. Once done, open Termux and run pkg update, then pkg upgrade to get current packages. This ensures commands behave as expected. Now install core utilities with pkg install bash core utils nano opens so you have a shell, file tools, editor, and remote access. You're setting a stable environment. That's why updates and these packages are the very first actionable steps. With Termux ready, navigate to the folder you need using cd and verify contents with ls so you know where you are. To run a script, call bash script. sh or mark it executable with chmod plus x script. sh then, /script. sh, this gives you control over execution. If you need device-level actions, use Termux API for non-root features. Only use SU on rooted phones since it changes system files. These middle steps are where you execute and control behavior. To finish, persist useful changes by editing /. Bash RC so aliases and path updates stick across sessions. Reload with source /. Bash RC to apply immediately. If you need remote access, start the SSH daemon with SSHD and connect from your PC using the device IP and password so you can run commands remotely. If something fails, read the error output, check permissions, and try pkg reinstall on the offending package. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves corrupted installs or missing binaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.